going to work on the Desmo, so showing right now the up and down right here. So this is both sidebars aligned. We go around like this, we get a click into a sidebar and then another click into another sidebar. That's the sidebars going into the opposing grooves. So straight up and down with no clicking anywhere near it. That shows that I am picking both sidebars, not just one. Alright, let's see. Found good luck with using dimple flags on this. Okay, so there's... Yep. Okay, and then... Got 1, 2, 3. For some reason, 3 feels raised. I don't know what's going on here. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Alright, make sure we didn't drop anything. Did feel like I raised that really high, but apparently not. Yeah, it's looks like it's where it's supposed to be. Alright, so if I did this correctly, then the other side is going to actually start setting pretty easily here. So put that right there. So that back, yeah, that back guy, he's terrible. Overset number 2 also, so I'll take care of that before we get too into it. No idea how that's... It's constant too. It's like, how am I... Like, do I have a third in here somehow? Oh, did it freaking move now? Yeah, it freaking moved now. Alright. Alright, and he's too high all the way back there. So, stab. Ooh, that was nice. And there we go. We got the open. Alright, so finally I have got my Desmo to open on camera. Alright, so let me arrange this so that it can be seen. Alright, so you see we got good core movement. Alright, so I'll lock her up. Alright, and we're back to locked. Let's get all these pieces and parts out of the way. Okay, back to that key, and I need 2 tools. I need this, and I need this. There we go. We got our C-ring out. Let's see, pinning tweezers, kind of like these guys, these little cross ones. They haven't been incredibly helpful in the past, but maybe this time. All right. Okay, so we will do left-hand side. We'll put him in slot 6. Okay. So there's pin and spring right here. You can see that there's a pin and spring right there. So pin came out. Kind of a neat little one, little T-pin. And then I'll get this guy out. You know, just all the genius of trying to yank a spring. Go. Right. Right, and then forward facing. For me, I know my camera's reversed, but sidebar. So the sidebars are standard little sidebars. Another pin, so there he goes. And another spring. There he goes. Alright, and let's go. Come on, you. Right side, pin 1. These things really are just ridiculous. Try a different set here. So the hard part about this one for me, quite honestly, was, good Lord. There we go. So this was the front pin. So this is a 0 lift, and when they say 0 lift, they're not kidding. Like this is 0 lift. You do not touch this pin. And then right behind that guy was a single pin lift. So basically you barely lift them at all, and you're going to be in that false gate, and then you're going for the center. Pin number 3 on the right, was a higher lift. So again, pin up in the center, and then pin number 4. Oh, I'm doing this upside down. Never mind. Yeah, so this is the left. From where I'm at right now with these facing this direction, this is the right, but this would have been the left, yeah. So another 0 lift. So 0 lift, a little bit of a mini lift here on this guy, would have been basically the first one, and then this one was a much higher. So when I go to pick this guy, this side, as soon as I lift this and put it in a gate, it falsets. And then pin number 1 here, once again, we've got the 0 lift, don't touch it. Then we got the medium lift, medium lift, so kind of like a 3rd pin on the other side. And then these two will be the high lifts, the higher lifts, and that's going to be exactly like pin number 2 on the other side. So there you go, pin number 2 on the other side type of a deal. Like, it's hilarious because the way that these things are just so painful to get in there. It's quite honestly very similar to if you were to have countermilling. Like, these false gates are like no joke false gates. So the sidebars inside of there. And we got the core. There we go. Assa Desmo. You hear the 3D printer in the background. I finally actually got it working again, so I'm a happy camper because that means that I can do things like make these pinning trays so these pins can stand out. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'm glad I finally got that done on film.